a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but that beauty a rich.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a really special video because this video is sponsored by HerGivenHair. Thank you guys so much for this opportunity. So today I'm reviewing the Human Hair Drawstring Pony, and it's curly 3B 3C, and it is in 14 inches. So I'm gonna take it out of the package and see what we are working with. Okay, it comes in like a cute little silky drawstring bag. Okay, so I just taken it out of the package and it is super soft. I just want to get you a close-up of the texture. Wow, it is super soft. Or this is the inside where the wefts are, and it comes with these two combs here, so you can like grip into your bun. And this is the drawstring. And I forgot to mention that I got it in the natural color. So let's put our hair in a bun. I'm not sure if I want like high or low. I think I'm gonna go with high because it's giving me like puff vibes. So I'm just gonna put my hair in a bun and then we're gonna come back and apply the ponytail. I'm just trying to see if this is the height that I want it. I think I want it a little bit higher. Okay, ponytail is secure. I'm going to braid this and pin this into a bun. Okay, let's wrap it. I've worn ponytails before when my hair was natural, and I feel like it was so difficult to get my hair in a small enough bun for the ponytail. But since I'm relaxed now, it's a lot easier. Another thing that I'm excited about, because this is human hair, you can wet it, you can add products to it. If you want to separate the curls more, have it be more of a curly fro, you can do that and add water and product and just bring it back to these curls. So, okay, enough talking, let's apply this. I'm taking the drawstring and I'm pulling it. Wow, super secure. And I'm gonna take the little extra string and just wrap it around the base, and I'm tucking it in the back. And there you have it. Let me get it up close view for you guys. So pretty. It's giving me natural hair without having natural hair. I love it. You guys, I can't reiterate how soft this is. I absolutely love it. I want to see what it looks like if I were to just pick it out a little bit, give it a little bit more volume. Okay, this is how it looks after I've just picked it out a little bit, and I love it. This is giving me braid out, twist out kind of vibes. And HerGivenHair was generous enough to provide a discount code to my subscribers. So my discount code is my name, Mariani. I'm gonna put it right here. And that will give you 15% off of $150 that you spend at HerGivenHair. And this is the perfect time because it's the holidays, there's parties, and you want to get cute, you want to switch up your look, and this is easy. I just put my hair in a bun, threw this on, and I just look so put together. And if you really want to invest in quality ponytails and quality hair, I really think you need to give HerGivenHair a try. I've been looking at this company for a long time and I'm super grateful for this opportunity. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, share, and don't forget to use the link for HerGivenHair. It's all gonna be down below. Thank you so much, HerGivenHair, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.